Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the portfolio. Welcome back to another swing trade. Just wanted to jump into the portfolio to update you guys on a swing trade that I completed right before market close yesterday. Again, with Portola Pharmaceuticals, PTLA. As you guys remember from my prior videos, this is one of my favorite stocks to do day and swing trading with. A small biotech company that has a lot of variability in the price of the stock, which makes it a prime stock for day and swing trading. As you can see here as well, I was able to jump into active hours trading today. Again, you guys can always tell if it is an active session, not only by the price changing up on top, but also because there is a white background to the portfolio. If it's a white background, that means it is an active hours trading. If the portfolio background is black, essentially means there is no trading activity going on. So far today, not too bad, up 690, 650 or so. Again, you can see that is trading on top there. That number is changing. About 0.4, 0.5% overall for the portfolio. So very happy about that. You can see at one point peaking up almost $1,000 or so in the green, 0.67% or so. Let's take a look at the trade I made yesterday right before market close, just a couple minutes before the end of trading yesterday. As you guys remember, I did a limit sell in a video I posted yesterday, which is here. Sold off 100 shares at 52.10. That was based on a buy price. Let's kind of take a look a little bit farther back here. At this buy price here, 100 shares at 51.35. That was about a $75 swing trade or so. And then you can see it right before market close. In the middle, you can see December 7th, 3:58, just a couple minutes before the close of trading. Was able to get out of another swing trade, 40 shares at 52.75 with that buy price here of $51. So that represented a swing trade of right at $70, or just a little bit over $70 or so. So very happy about that. Again, this price is a very good price. It goes up and down quite dramatically. So you can see there is very good places to put in some limit buy orders here on the peaks and valleys. On the peaks, you can do your limit sells off here. On the valleys, obviously, your limit buys. And again, the price of the stock right now is $53.10. So you might say, I sold off too early here. This was $52.75 here. This was $52.10. But a key point I want to make is when you are doing your limit buy, limit sell orders, don't necessarily place your limit buy right at this price point here, $47.73, or right here, $48.50. You want to give yourself a little bit of leeway in case the stock doesn't get down to that point. So maybe a good buy price here, maybe $48.25 or so, and you'll be able to hit some of these valleys here. Then again, on your limit sales as well, don't try to put your price point in so aggressively where it's at the peak of these. Again, you can get lucky and have a nice price spike up like this, $53.66. But I might just put in a limit sell, maybe at $53. You know you'll get that sell order completed, and then you can use that capital for another setup for another swing trade. That's kind of what I did on the bottom here. Again, these weren't the most aggressive sell points that I could have chosen. This, again, here was $52.10, and this here was $52.75. And originally, if you guys remember from my prior video, I was looking at $53 to sell off yesterday. I probably should have waited on that today because it definitely breached that. Currently still at $53.11. So you can see it breached that price point a few times here. And just my history with the stock, I really thought that would probably be the breaking point for this stock before it would start pulling back. It actually got up to $53.67, $53.66 or so before pulling back. But that's really how I'm doing my setups for my day and swing trades. And again, I want to point out, because there's been a lot of comments in the comment threads, I'm not a professional trader, so please just take what I am saying as an individual investor managing their own portfolio. I'm not advocating that you guys jump into this stock. This is a very high-risk stock. I've been having a lot of success with this stock day and swing trading. I also had some very good success with capital appreciation because I bought before the last FDA decision. But make no mistake, this is a very risky stock. This stock could easily trend back down to this price point here, $40, $35. If we take a look at the 5-year graph, you can see how volatile this stock was, getting up to the $40, $50 point before trailing down below $20 here, and then having some very dramatic upticks in the price of the stock based on some very favorable FDA decisions with the company's products that are in the pipeline. And again, this company has some products that will be coming out, or at least will be hopefully passing FDA review this early spring 2018. So could jump up dramatically, but if those particular products are not approved, this stock could pull back dramatically as well. So if you buy in at $53 currently, this stock could go back to $25, maybe even less than $20 again, depending on how everything plays out. So very high risk stock. It's worked out very well for my portfolio. Again, I'm not a professional. This is simply what I'm doing with my portfolio. And again, the whole idea behind this portfolio is to learn, have some fun trading, and really just become a little bit more active in the portfolio rather than simply funding an index fund or mutual fund as part of a retirement plan, 401k, IRA, so forth. Really want to have some hands-on activity here. So that's why I'm doing a lot of day and swing trading with this stock. A lot of investors, just to kind of put this point home, think buy and hold investing is the way to go. They think better returns over the long term, better tax implications as well. I've talked quite a bit about Portola Ford, two of my favorite day and swing trading stocks that I was opening myself up to quite a bit of tax exposure because of the first in, first out accounting method with the portfolio. You don't really are able to accumulate any shares over 1 year if you're continually trading those shares. So a lot of tax implications for that. You can save yourself an automatic 10 to 20% return by simply holding your shares rather than doing day and swing trading. So keep that in mind. Put out quite a few videos talking about tax implications, capital gains, tax rates, preferred dividends, qualified dividends, I should say. So please take a look at those videos as well. So again, don't want to make the video too long here. Updated you guys on another swing trade here. Again, Portola Pharmaceuticals, another swing trade, $70 or so. I've been averaging about $50 or so per day with Portola, doing some swing trades. And again, I like Portola because if I can't get out of a trade, I'm more than happy to hold it for the longer term as well. Again, holding for that FDA decision in 2018, early 2018, and then I plan on selling off after that point. Again, very high risk play, but if everything turns out the way I anticipate, I prognosticate, I think it's going to be a very good kind of longer term swing trade. So again, not to make the video too long, I'll kind of end it here. As always, really appreciate your guys' support on the channel, all the subscribers, all the viewers out there, immensely appreciate it. If you guys have any questions about this video, other videos, please let me know in the comment threads down below. I do my best to try to answer every single comment that is on the video. Sometimes it takes about a week or so before I get back to all the comments, but my goal is to respond to every single comment on the video. So again, really appreciate all the support and all the great suggestions for day and swing trading stocks that you guys have been giving me. I've been taking a look at those. At some point, I hope to incorporate some of those trades in my portfolio. In fact, a lot of the stocks that I have in the portfolio were originally mentioned by friends as well as viewers when I initially started the portfolio. So I want to thank you guys for all of that. And again, not to make the video too long, I'll kind of end it here, and we'll see you guys next time.